Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen on TikTok. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok, and you need to update TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. So once you open TikTok application, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, and here you need to click on effects. Here you need to click on green screen and click on the first one. So now you are able to see me in my green screen. Okay, and then you can record a video and share that video with your friends on TikTok. So this is the process how you can add green screen to any video on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.